Hey there, today we're going to look at how to fix Apple TV 4K white light blinking. So let's get started. First, unplug your Apple TV and HDMI cable from both ends. Over here, wait for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in firmly. After that, try using a different HDMI cable or another HDMI port on your TV. Then, if possible, connect it directly to the TV instead of using an HDMI hub or receiver. If the light blinks but the screen still shows the Apple logo or menu, press and hold the back and TV control center buttons together on your Siri remote until the status light turns off and on again. This will force a soft restart. After that, if it's still unresponsive, unplug the Apple TV from power, wait 10 seconds, then plug it back in and wait for the startup screen. If the light keeps blinking rapidly, move on to the next step. Then restore your Apple TV using a computer. For this, use a USB-C cable for the first gen or power and Ethernet for the second or third gen. Connect it to your Mac or PC, open Finder or iTunes, select your Apple TV, and click on Restore Apple TV. Wait until the process finishes, then reconnect it to your TV. Over here, if your Apple TV turns on, go to Settings, then System, then Software Updates, and tap on Update Software to install the latest TiVos. If it's still blinking, try a different power outlet and disconnect any other HDMI devices. If the light flashes rapidly and there's no video, it could be a firmware or logic board issue. In that case, contact Apple support or visit an authorized service center. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.